This is the Catch-Up Network.
Gold surges to 6-week highs as global instability shifts investors towards precious metals. Amidst the US bank crisis and a weakening dollar, central banks are ramping up gold purchases. Discover why this flight to safety trend is dominating market chatter.
Hey guys, I'm Manisha Gupta and you've joined us live on Money Control, and we're talking about the only one asset class which actually has given you good returns on the positive side in the last 4 or 5 sessions, and that clearly is precious metals. Take a look at gold prices trading at around 6-week highs, and silver is trading at a 4-week highs as well, and we have seen a very smart rebound in the overnight markets where gold gained up by 2%, silver is up by nearly 6% as well. So whether you are looking at on a week-on-week basis or a month-on-month basis, the precious metals is the only sector which is trading on the higher side because of flight to safety, the safe haven that this sector really provides. So the gold prices, when you look at the last 5 days itself, have gained up by $100 per ounce. In the Indian markets as well, we were trading at around 54,000 or something. We're trading back at around 57,000 here. So 3,000 rupees of a jump up here as well in last 5 trading sessions. Well, the US bank crisis, contagion fears, recession concerns, all of that has led to the markets coming back in case of gold. In the recent few days, we've seen also the support come in from the weakness in US dollar. The markets have seen central bank also buying quite strongly. So whether it has been Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkey, China, Singapore, all of these countries and their central banks have been buying gold in last 1 week, and that has been an additional factor that you have seen supporting the gold prices there. The markets will continue to watch out for the US Fed futures as well. Remember, today is the US inflation data, and this is the last big event ahead of the US Fed meeting, which is on 22nd of March. I mean, of course, you still have ECB meeting, which falls on 16th of March as well. So it's going to be 3 important datas within the month of March before we can call it curtains for this current month here. So as of now, the US Fed futures say the probability of a rate hike of 25 basis points stands at a tall 69% and 31% probability of no rate hike at all. That has been supportive for gold. And when I tell you the gold's prices on a week-on-week basis, we've seen 5% of gains already for gold. Silver is up by nearly 6%, platinum up 6.5% as well, copper is up 1%, and then it stops there. Everything else in commodities is trading in the negative for this week. If you look at aluminum and zinc, we are down by 3%. Crude price is down by 4 to 5% as well. The dollar index trading at around 7-week lows clearly has been supportive for gold and silver, and the markets do believe that the coming few days could bring in a lot of volatility. You could be looking at 2,000 or 1,800 on the lower side for gold, and much would depend upon how the US inflation comes. So if you are trading into the commodity, the stop losses clearly are mandatory for this one during this time.
Gold, traditionally a safe haven asset, has seen significant appreciation, reaching 6-week highs. This surge is largely attributed to ongoing concerns around the US banking crisis and the general fear of recession. Additionally, the weakened US dollar, trading at 7-week lows, has made gold more attractive to international buyers, thereby driving up its price. Central banks from various countries, including Russia, Kazakhstan, Turkey, and China, have increased their gold reserves, adding further support to the price increase. This strategic move by central banks is seen as a hedge against economic uncertainties and potential inflationary pressures. The U.S. inflation data and forthcoming Federal Reserve meetings present critical inflection points that could influence future price movements of gold and other commodities. Despite the general bullish sentiment towards precious metals, traders should be aware of market volatility and consider risk management strategies such as stop losses. Thanks for watching, and of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe below. But don't stop there. Start making videos like this for your own channel. Click the link in our bio to get started.
This is the Catch-Up Network.